In today's shifting housing market, overpricing your home is a mistake. Most sellers I work with want to maximize their sales price, minimize the hassles, and sell their house as quickly as possible. But while we're still in a seller's market, things have changed from just a few months ago, and we need to consider how to price your home based on where we are right now. Here are a few of the benefits of pricing your house right. When you price your house at market value, you'll help boost interest in your home so you can attract more buyers. And when you do, you'll maximize your sales price. Plus, when you price your home right, it'll sell faster. That's why you don't want to overshoot your target price. Price it too high and it'll sit on the market or require a price reduction. Price it too low and it may lead buyers to think something's wrong. Hitting the bullseye is what I do. And as your agent, I'll look at the factors to help you maximize your sales price in today's shifting market.